We have never talked about this app before, but you can actually make $600 for absolutely free with this one single app. This app is gonna pay you $600. It's available on both iOS and Android, and it's absolutely free to install the app. Now inside of this video, I'm first gonna show you two different apps that have nothing to do with the third app. So two different apps. First two apps are just gonna pay you to install them, so you know you can maximize your results and make as much money as you possibly can with those three apps. So the first two apps are just gonna help you make some passive income for absolutely free, because as I said, you just need to install them. So I'm gonna show you those two apps, and then I'm gonna show you the third app that we never talked about before. This is gonna pay you $600 for absolutely free. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log in to your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching in the Google online bank account in my country and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. With that being said, we'll jump straight into my computer so I can explain everything. And before I show the app that will actually pay you $600 for absolutely free, I just want to show you two more apps. So in total, I'm gonna show you three different apps inside of this video for you. But first, I want to show you a few different apps. They're really gonna pay you to do nothing. You just need to install them, and you can leave them like that. And then you can focus on the last app that I'm about to show you, where we can earn over $600 for absolutely free. But you will then have these two apps making you passive income for absolutely free. Yes, these first two apps will pay you to do nothing. You'll just need to install them, and then I'm gonna show you the third app. This is gonna pay you $600 for absolutely free. As I said, we never mentioned this one before in this channel, so it's gonna be a super amazing video. So make sure to stay tuned all the way to the end. The first app that we're going to be using is moneysmsapp.com. Again, this is moneysmsapp.com. This is their official website, but obviously, we'll just install this app directly onto our smartphone device. And basically how this works is this is a free app which will allow you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by the system and customers. You just need to install this to your smartphone device, create an account, and it's gonna send you some random messages, and you don't have to reply to those messages. They literally have no meaning. It's literally just, some random numbers, and you can just delete them right after you receive them. But you will still get paid for each and every SMS that you receive, so no work needed. You will receive the SMS possibly. You don't have to do anything, just sign up to this app, and that's all you have to do. And every single day, they're gonna send you new test messages, and you're gonna get paid for each message, as I said. So basically, you can come work here, read more about how it works. But this one works only for Android. But keep watching, because the next apps are gonna work for both iOS and Android. But this one, yes, this one works only for Android. So if you don't have an Android device, then I'm sorry, but you won't be able to make any money with Money SMS app. Their application is exclusive in Android because only Android allows Do Read SMS app. You just need to install this app and get paid by their money-making app for receiving text messages. And this is how many percent secure their app, and it does not read any of your data, your private messages, or uses any other data. They only read their own SMS, so they will not steal and they will not read your messages or private messages or whatever. And it's secure. I've done a ton of research on this app, and people are just loving the amount of money they are making with the app. And they're loving how the system actually works, because as you can see, it's automatic. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side. And they also have a really nice referral program where you can earn 30% from your referrals earnings. So if you refer a friend to this app and then they sign up, once they start making money for like $100, you will get $30 for absolutely free, completely passively for your lifetime. You are going to be earning passive income from them. So yes, there's definitely a lot of different ways to make passive income with the Money SMS app. This is absolutely free. You will not have to pay for anything as it will always stay free forever, and you can learn more about how it actually works. So basically, just sign up and receive automatic text messages and get paid for doing that. These are some screenshots of how it looks inside the dashboard and how it looks on the app. I want to install the app and this is how it's gonna look like. This is your referral code that you can share with your friends and family. You can also share it on Facebook or Twitter, on Instagram. Share it to some Facebook groups about making money online. Just tell them that they can make passive income from that app, and then just send up your referral link, and you can still make some passive income from your referrals. That's a really nice thing about this app. As you can see, is this a scam or legit? At Money SMS, they take all the necessary matters to ensure that they comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirements. If you're not sure whether they pay their users, you can check the proof of payments for many of users on an independent website right here. You can read more about them on this website. You can see that people are actually receiving money from this website, and as I said, I've done a ton of research and this website does work. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now the next app that you can use to make some free passive income is called cashmagnetapp.com. Again, that's cashmagnetapp.com. Obviously, the app name is just Cash Magnet and you will install it in your Android phone. Again, this only works for Android, but keep watching because the last app is gonna be available for both iOS and Android, and I'm gonna give you something for absolutely free at the end, so make sure to watch this video all the way until the end, so you get money from your Android phone. They pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing, so as you can see, you literally need to do nothing. They have here the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs you want to play. So this one is actually going to pay you way more than the Money SMS app. So we're kind of going from the lowest paying app to the highest paying app. You can read more about it. You don't need to perform any tasks, so watch ads or play games. Earnings will come in absolutely autonomous and passive mode. You can literally be sleeping. You can be doing something else. You could be taking your lunch. You can be going outside drinking. You could be reading news or whatever you do regularly. Just do that every single day, and you will still get paid for just installing this app and just for leaving over your smartphone out there. So prepare to earn several times more. Only a few months of work in the Cash Magnet, and you can buy another brand new phone that works for you around the clock. This is how thousands of their satisfied users do it. So you can literally buy a brand new phone 2 months after using this. It's absolutely safe, and they guarantee you that your data and your personal settings will not be used in any way. Earn money using your phone for doing nothing. Absolutely passive income. So you can read more about what cashmagnetapp.com actually is. So this is an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income while you are not using your phone. So you can just leave your phone out there and just have the app installed to your phone, and you will be making passive income. And as I said, you don't have to do anything, and if you don't want to install this to your main phone, maybe for whatever reason that you don't want to install it, then you can maybe have some another device in your phone, and you can install it into some device that you do not like to use, like some old phone. Just install the app to that old phone and it's gonna make you passive income, and you can just leave it out there. You don't even have to use it at all. And if you install this app to as many devices you have in your home, then you can make even more passive income from this, and it's absolutely free. Of course, as I said, all these apps are absolutely free. You don't have to pay for anything. Now right before I give you the last app, the main app that will actually pay over $600, and right before I give you the thing at the end of the video, if you have any questions or you simply need some help, feel free to leave a comment down below, because I will be reading to all of those comments, and I will try to reply as soon as possible or as soon as I see that comment. Now with that being said, the app that we're going to be using is this one right here. I will give you the app name in a second. But yes, this one is gonna pay you $600, so you can earn up to $600 in a year just by listening to music. So all you have to do is install this app on either iOS or Android. This is available for both App Store and Google Play Store, so both users are satisfied, so that's really cool. So there will be no complaints in the comments that it only works for Android or it only works for iOS. This one works for both sides, and you're gonna get paid just by listening to music. That's all you have to do. Install the app, listen to music. earn more points, and then the more you play, the more music you listen to, the more money you're gonna make. So basically, in your free time, you're getting paid just to listen to music. So search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations so you can find your favorite music and listen to your favorite music, and you're gonna get paid for doing that. So you don't have to listen to some random music from SoundCloud that you don't even like, but you can actually listen to music you enjoy. You will still get paid for doing that. I mean, obviously, I guess all you guys already listen to music every single day. And now you can get paid for doing that. That's really amazing. And points by playing your favorite music, spend your points on your favorite brands, and much, much more. And as you can see, this is available in many countries. You can install the app to your smartphone device and start making money with this one. As I said, this is available in Google Play Store and Apple Store. So the app name is actually current.us. So this is the website name, current.us, and this is the logo. It should look something like this. Search for the Current app on your Apple Store or the Google Play Store and just find that app.